Oh, yeah. Makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my hair, and I am gonna go ahead and put out a video on how I colored this hair. This used to be the hair that I purchased from Amazon. It was blonde, and I dyed it this cherry red color. Make sure you thumbs this video up, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you would like me to do next. But I have combed it out. I do like how the color turned out. It came out very, very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and use on my hair is the Turn Up the Heat by, who is this by? Beyond the Zone. So I'm going to just spray that. It's my heat protector, especially since I did go ahead and color it, so you definitely want to do that. And then now I'm going to use this argan oil of Morocco. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand, and then I'm just going to put it throughout my hair. What I'm going to be doing today is putting some waves in it, some deep waves. I'm going to go ahead and use this bed head. I purchased this from Target, and that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Done with this side, so now I'm at the top part, and I'm really just splitting it. Once I've done my other side. All right, so I did go ahead and finish my hair. It came out really, really cute. This is really sexy for Valentine's Day. I would definitely be rocking my hair like this for V-Day, okay? So let's go ahead and get dressed. All right, y'all, I am back. I have threw on this white turtleneck that I got from Boohoo a few years ago. This necklace is from Fashion Nova. I have on my ring. I have on my Michael Kors watch. Another diamond ring that I have from Zales. I have on my Fashion Nova earrings as well. These are really, really cute. And this jacket is from Fashion Nova as well. So that is what I have on. I have done my hair, and now we're going to go ahead and get into this lippy. I'm using Morphe's Bite Me brown pencil, lip pencil, and then I'm using Morphe's Dominant lipstick in red since it is Valentine's Day weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. All right, so I'm gonna go in with Dominant, and this is a matte red. I'm trying to see if I like it with this color. No, I don't. I'm not really feeling the red with this hair color, so let me go find something else. I did not like the red lipstick. I went ahead and wiped it off. I'm gonna go back in with my brown lip liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use this NYX Butter Gloss. We're gonna do a gloss in Tiramisu. I think this will look really pretty. So let's see. All right, I like it. All right, so that is the lippy. That is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope y'all try this color out. I hope you try the style out. If you do, definitely tag me on social media, on my Instagram at badgirlnew. I would love to see it. Bye.